So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really adorable earrings, and they're just like dangle earrings. They're really fun, quick, and easy. They kind of look like this whenever they're off the ear. This is them on the ear. I literally just started making these yesterday, and I have so much stuff to make them with, and it's so fun. So I'm just going to teach you how to make these quick and easy. It only takes up to 5 minutes, and it just depends. My first try took a while, but once you get the hang of it, it'll take just a couple minutes, and then you're good to go. So continue watching if you want to see how to make these earrings. What you will need are 2 earring holders, pins, whatever you want to call them, just so that these are the things that go in your ear. 2 beads that have a little loop at the top to connect. 2 eye pins. Long nose pliers. Be careful, don't cut yourself. And round nose pliers. Let's begin. Take your 2 earring holders, or whatever you call them, your 2 eye pins, and both of your pliers. So let's get started. So you're going to take your little earring beading things that you put your ears into, your eye pin, and your long nose pliers. You're going to take your earrings, your eye pin, and your long nose pliers. Actually, just set this to the side for really quick. Take your long nose pliers, and the top of your eye pin, you are going to want to make sure that it opens up. You see that it's in a full circle right now. Take your long nose pliers, pull at it, and then you want it to make sure that it's open just a little bit. Take your earring and your open eye pin and just slide open eye pin into the loop of your earring. Then take your long nose pliers and close it in. Once you have it closed in and it's all snug and tight, take your long nose pliers or wire cutters. I hope that your long nose pliers have a cutter or you have a cutter. Take them and simply cut off a little bit of your wire. You still want to leave some left so that you can add another loop and cut it. Cut it so that you have about 1 centimeter left of plain wire. Take your round nose pliers and then start going, as you see that this is that ways, curl up this way so that the loops are the opposite side. But don't close it or then your bead won't fit in here. Now that you probably have it like this or something like that so that it looks like they're opposite, like this, you're going to take your bead, then slip it into the bottom loop that you just made. Make sure that the side that looks the best is facing, so you hold it up like this to make sure that it's facing the right way. Take your long nose pliers and then just make sure and then just close up the beading so that it looks like this and it's connected where it could not get off. And that's how you make an earring. I'm gonna make my second one and show you what they look like when they're done. And now you're done. This is what your earrings should end up looking like, and they should dangle like this. Leave any comments or concerns in the comments down below, and I will try to help you with that. And if it did not work out how I taught you, I will try to think of another way that might be easier or will probably work for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope that you enjoy. Bye!